Sunday, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I greatly appreciate you clicking on this video. And if you are new, welcome, and welcome back to those who continue to tune in from week to week. This is really going to be a short video. It's actually a little later in the day that I'm recording this, so I thought, let me hurry up and get on here. But I have a few. When I say few, I mean, I think it's less than 6 new patterns that I picked up from Simplicity.com. Simplicity.com had a sale. Let me think now. I was just coming back from that trip I took to Wisconsin, and I was laid over in DC coming back to Texas, and I don't know, it was like a delay or whatever in getting back. But anyway, I was scrolling because I had 2 extra hours hanging out in the airport. I was scrolling and saw that Simplicity was having a sale. So this is yeah, I'm sure this sale is not going on. They probably, I think they had, last I saw was some other recent sale, and it could be something coming up for Black Friday. So I would say subscribe to their newsletter and keep on the list for Black Friday sale. Speaking of which, stay tuned for Wednesday. I will have a little scrap busting make that I had, plus I'll be sharing some of the things that I've seen come across my feed, my inbox on different sales that's going on. And so anyway, let me go ahead and share with you, first I'm gonna share with you these 2 cutesy ones. I was totally inspired by, I don't know, it was somebody's, I don't remember whose channel it was, but it wasn't, they didn't share this on their channel, but people in the community, you know how you can activate your community tab and people can post things and pictures and all of that. I haven't done that here on my channel, but I've seen it on somebody's feed, and people were posting, maybe they had a video about holiday gift making or something, and so these little gift items were popping up that people said that they had made, and I was like, those are so cute. And plus it gives me really good ideas, because people's, either they have grandchildren or having babies, and I thought this was just so cute, so I thought, let me just get them. One is these are all Simplicity. So this is 3157. This is totally, you know, the whole gift thing where you have the different animals. Well, fleece, this here is, you can use fleece, minky fleece, different things like that. But this here is seated plush animals is what it's called, seated plush animals, and this is 3157. I thought this was so cute, and yeah, because people are, you know, I have kids and all of that, and so this is the other one I saw that it was so cute. This is 9360. So this one is 9360, and again, it's just plush animals where it says you use fleece, sweatshirt fleece, minky, low pile, faux fur, that type thing. But I thought it was so cute. I thought it was so cute. Again, 9360. I'm not planning on making this for the holiday. I mean, it's very possible, but yeah, I just thought it was cute. I just thought these were too cute, and yeah, it just gave me some ideas for like gifts and stuff. Now on to the garments. I only have 3, y'all. Just got 3. So this, like I said, is gonna be quick. You all will have to let me know if there is anything in particular that maybe it's some gift type items like that, like the little plush toys, or maybe it's something else. You all know I love to sew. The crafting side of me, where I'm doing things like this, is really either A, more related to my other business, or B, is just stuff that I do in my downtime, not necessarily things that are like top priority on the list. But anyway, I still create those things because I still love to sew. So you have to let me know if there's anything in particular that you had on your list from the sale, or that you plan to get on the sale. Now there were a couple patterns that I got. I picked up, I could have sworn I purchased this earlier this year, but cannot find it. I looked everywhere in my sewing room and I said, you know what, it goes on sale again, I'm getting it. It is Norris's 9897, which everybody was sewing in during the fall, winter, ever since this pattern dropped. And then I believe the year after this one dropped, so many people entered it into they made it again in February for the BHM pattern designer. So I went ahead and picked it up, and I'm gonna check my stash because I do want to make this. I picked it up again, or at least maybe I just never got it the first time, but I picked it up because I do want something simple, easy. Everybody I saw that made this absolutely loved it, loved the oversized feel to it, and I can see me loving it. I don't wear a lot of sweatshirts and things like this, but last winter, if you follow along, you know I wore one sweatshirt that was given to me. Like anytime I was running somewhere and it was cold, but not super cold enough for a coat or a jacket, I would just throw on that particular sweatshirt. I was like, I want to make one. And so this one, 9897, was absolutely perfect. This had pockets. I don't think, did it have, did somebody say it had pockets? I don't think it has pockets. But anyway, if it does not, I can see putting patch pockets on the front just to have something to throw the phone in if it's just like an errand type situation. But yeah, finally picked that up. Also, some of the Nomies were on sale. Now, y'all know this was like a site-wide sale on certain patterns. Y'all know I don't like that. I just prefer if Simplicity patterns on sale, all of them. If McCall's on sale, all of them. Nomies, all of them. Not this one, that one, and you know, jumping on the site every other week when they run a sale to see that they put a different pattern line on sale or a different number of a particular line on sale. You know what I mean? I just don't like that. But anyway, I saw that a couple Nomies were on sale. This one is Brittany J. Jones. It is 2110. So I went ahead. There we go. We are zoomed in. I went ahead and picked this up because I like the joggers and I like the top. I would totally do cropped. And we'll see how far it will come down on me. I don't necessarily, even if it showed this much skin, I wouldn't care. But you know, it could be a little lower. But nothing dramatic. But if anything, I will have mine meet wherever this would hit me on my waistline. Will be absolutely perfect for me. But I love the tapering at the bottom of this, and how that's pleated. And so yeah, Brittany J. Jones, this is 2110 Nomi. And then there is, and I think there was recently a whole drop for their fall, right? I need to put up on BHM now that I'm thinking about it. This is by Katy B, and this is 2140. I absolutely love the style of this. I don't have anything like this. You all know I love shirt dresses. Totally fell off the whole shirt dress, one shirt dress a month. This year, y'all know life, family situations came up. Couldn't keep up with that, but I do want to make this. I really like the style of it. If I flip it around, let's see. Can you see that line drawing? I just thought it was different. I liked how it fit. I like how it just looked, the pleat or the side slits, how it tapers down in the front. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And I like how it's fitted up here and just goes out here. I just like it. And I like the different fabrics that she used on here. And so yeah, again, this is 2140. So that is it. Like I said, I didn't do a ton of mine. I just really wanted that Norris one, and then since I saw the two Nomies, because I always wanted those, I saw them when they dropped, and so I figured since they were on sale, I will go ahead and grab them. So that is it, everybody. Like I said, quick video. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video. Yeah, another scrap busting project that finally happy that I got done and over with. But anyway, I will share that with you on Wednesday. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. And yeah, that is it, everybody. We will see you on Wednesday. Bye.